What do you think about the Congress?
I think it's an excellent congress. The most interesting part of the conference is that there are a lot of disciplines, and that really is a reflection of the theme of the conference.
Is there anything particular you hope to gain from the Congress?
Yes, I'd like to know what responsible innovation is all about, how they interpret it. And my specific question is, who are the people who are asked to be responsible, and how are they trained and helped to actually become responsible? This is something that they say grows on you. Well, how?
Is there anything particular you hope to gain from the Congress?
Well, at the Rathenau Institute we're especially focusing on policy making. And what I hope to learn here is more specifically about the match between scientists and industry also.
Yeah, what I liked a lot is sort of the interdisciplinary nature of a lot of the projects, so that you really see that disciplines that usually don't talk so often with each other, like engineering and ethics, now are forced sort of to work together and really sort of get to know knowledge from their fields and get to do a little bit of knowledge transfer and real interaction. And that's always very interesting to see for a philosopher, yeah, and very promising as well.
This is all about innovation and doing it in a responsible way, but sometimes it's very hard to foresee what an innovation will cause in society. What do you think, Simone?
It's just like the real world, and especially for young people, because we're looking into cyberbullying, especially in relation to young people. And what you see is that for young people, there is not an online world and an offline world. Those two are completely interwoven, so they're completely melted, and that's important to know when you're looking at what young children do on the internet, and also when you're looking or researching bullying and cyberbullying.
But I really like doing the interview. It was really nice doing it because we've been doing this project for a couple of years now, and we have some results now. So it's really nice to talk about it and to see what other people think. Yeah, so it's great. Yeah.
So these all soon they created a network of the
I really like it. It's really interesting too, because normally I work on water. So, and all my questions are related to water. So it's, for me, it's very refreshing to be suddenly in an environment where the focus is on innovation and on how to do innovation responsibly.
One of the characteristics of this conference is its great diversity of presentations and topics. And what I'm looking for is, are there any guiding themes or methods or concerns or problems?
In the previous round of this program, we have actually worked together with ministries a lot, with government agencies, and now we think it's time to shift to the private sector. So our first keynote of yesterday, of the first day of the conference, was by Bertrand van E, who's chairman of the board of a large engineering company, DHV. And he told us about the way they deal with responsible innovation. And so there's an active interest from the corporate world. And also we have had a small round of calls for applications in the program of responsible innovation this year, geared towards the so-called topsectoren, which are instruments of Dutch innovation policy. And we've actually handed out 10 small projects of 1 year that will be delivering results hopefully soon, that will help the topsectoren, energy, high-tech systems, health and life sciences, to come to grips with the societal and ethical aspects of research and innovation in those areas.